So I heard if you hold your cat and then put them up against the wall, if they put their hands in front of them, they're smart. And if they bang their head into the wall, they're dumb. Smart is dumb. Let's see. She's smart! Okay, now let's try it with Link. Gotta go get him. Where is he? Ugh. Okay, so he's a little more frisky. Oh, no! No, no. Ow, ow. Is he smart? Let's see.
He is. It's just that you like.
I think that's smart.
He is. You just like kept pushing him. He's
sorry,
not as
bud.
strong as you.
Bro.
He had his hands out.
You good? Like, did you like pee yourself? I don't really know. Sorry, Link. I'll give you a treat later.